The right to healthcare for all who live in South Africa is under scrutiny as the South African Human Rights Commission heads to the Durban High Court this morning. The SAHRC filed an urgent application against groups which include March on March and Operation Dudula after reports that non-nationals and undocumented individuals were being turned away from public health facilities like the Addington Hospital in Durban. The Commission says these acts are unconstitutional. Phila Mthembu has more for us this morning. Phila, good morning. This is a significant development in this ongoing saga of protests versus the legislation and, more importantly, the experience of people when they arrive at public health care facilities. Just share with us what you're seeing, what you have seen in covering these protests, and what's expected to happen today.
Indeed, Iman, good morning to you. So over the past couple of months, we have seen chaos erupt outside health facilities. That includes also the Durban's hospital, Addington Hospital. We have seen members of March and March as well as Operation Dudula, blocking undocumented foreign nationals from accessing medical care, really saying that the reason why they are doing this is because they feel as if the resources which are supposed to be benefiting those who are in fact South Africans are being wasted on undocumented foreign nationals, and that it has gotten to a point where there have been South Africans who have gotten to a situation where they do not receive adequate treatment or they get to be inconvenienced whenever they attend to these medical facilities. I'm going to bring into the conversation Iman Raymond, who speaks on also behalf of the people who are refugees. I know that you care very much for them. That's part of the work that your organization does. But you are here to show support to the South African Human Rights Commission. Care to share why?
Yes, the Dennis Hurley Centre here in Durban works with homeless people and refugees, and we provide healthcare to them. And over the last 16 weeks, both of those groups of people have been blocked from accessing Addington Hospital by these protesters. If I can correct you, they're not just blocking undocumented migrants, they're blocking anyone who is a foreigner, even people who have got entirely legitimate documents to be in the country, and they're blocking South Africans who don't have their IDs. But the shocking thing is that they have no right to demand to see somebody's ID. They have no right to decide who does or does not go into a hospital. They have grabbed this right as vigilantes, and the police and the Department of Health just stand by meekly and do nothing. Literally, you can stand at the door of the SAP's police station in South Beach, and you can see the protesters. The police can see what they're doing, and they do nothing to intervene. And that's why the case this morning isn't just against the protesters, it's against the police and against the Department of Health, because they have failed to uphold their duty to protect the Constitution.
Okay. And what is it that you're expecting for the police as well as the health department to do, actually? Because not so long ago, there was a matter here at the High Court, and this matter was, against the health minister as well as the acting police minister. But then it was struck off the roll because it was actually said that, in fact, they are not the ones who are responsible for this type of activity. What are your expectations from them, taking this into consideration?
The police are clearly responsible for preventing illegal activity. It is illegal for a member of the public to demand to see somebody's ID. It is illegal for somebody to block access to a hospital. It is illegal for staff in the hospital to refuse to serve people because they choose not to. Yet the Department of Health allows that to happen. The police allow that to happen. They are not carrying out their legal duty, the duty of which they've all taken an oath to uphold the Constitution. They're not carrying out that duty. And today it's foreign nationals who are being prevented from accessing their constitutional rights. Who knows who it'll be tomorrow? Imagine if you or I set up a protest outside the hospital and we decided that today only white people can go into the hospital or only black people can go into the hospital. The police would soon intervene.
Thank you so much for your time. Iman, that was Raymond coming from Dennis Hurley Centre, here to show their support to the South African Human Rights Commission, saying that they fall under the category of those who want want to see action being taken against members of Operation Dudula as well as March and March, saying that it is time that the courts intervened and actually take out an order for them, to be stopped in terms of blocking these health facilities.